Welcome to our full guide on verifying Bitcoin on your PayPal account in 2025. Let's explore how this integration can benefit you. First, we'll guide you through the process of creating your PayPal account. Just head over to their website and click on Sign Up. Once your account is ready, navigate to the Crypto section where you can find Bitcoin options. To start the verification process, select Bitcoin from the Crypto section and follow the on-screen instructions. Prepare to provide personal details required for verification, such as your full name and address. Next, you'll need to upload necessary documents like your ID. Ensure they are scanned clearly. After submission, keep in mind that the verification can take a few days. Stay patient while PayPal processes your request. Once verified, you can easily confirm your Bitcoin purchases and sales directly on PayPal. If you encounter any verification issues, here are some common problems and solutions. In conclusion, verifying your Bitcoin transactions helps ensure security and peace of mind while using PayPal.